YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. No lambs last night. Go and check to see if we got lambs this morning. All right. 97% of you that watch a video here on the homestead are not subscribed. If you can, please subscribe. I'm not going to ask you to ring the notification bell. If you see a video you like, go ahead, click it. If not, that's fine. But please subscribe if you're not. It really helps us with the algorithm and puts us higher up in the search. Especially with baby lambs and baby goats, you know. People like to see that stuff, so let's get it out there. All right, enough of that. All right, going into the sheep area. They're all loud, which is good signs. What's up? Sally, you're thin. Sally, you're full of blood. Where's your lambs? Come on, Jenny. Oh, there's a lamb. Oh, yeah, there's a lamb. Look at all the spots on that thing, the color. Holy cow. That's amazing. Yeah, you're a good mama. And there's another one over here. Holy cow. We got two. Two from Sally. And she walked away. And that's what I was worried about, that she was not going to be a good mom. But those are clearly bandits. Well, let me find out what they are and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I checked them. Clearly, we had thought that Sally would not be a good mother. And I'm thinking she isn't. Because she's right there. Huh? Maybe she is going to go take care of her baby. She's got the one. They're both girls. Holy. Hey. Chill out. They're both girls, so the other one's up front. But they got just amazing weird colors here. Spots everywhere and browns, and now I'm thinking, well, it could be bandits, could be Bufords, but more than likely it's bandits. Because I saw him with her. Let's go find the other one. Alright, so 2 new lambs. 4 lambs total. 3 girls, 1 ram lamb. When we were looking for all rams. But this year has been the year of the female. Clearly here. We've had a lot of females. So, that's a good thing. Let's talk about what else is going on. The goats, they're all doing well. We only had the 1 loss. They're mad. See that little guy in there jumping on the black goat boo? That's Valentino. He's definitely going to be the herd sire. 3 weeks old and already trying to get the job done. Dweezil, not so much. Yeah. Alright, they're mad at me today because I ran out of hay for them this morning, so we're going with alfalfa pellets. And oats and barley and some sugar beet pellets. Okay, so the madness has begun. I only had enough hay for the sheep this morning. And I really don't like feeding them just grain twice a day. I like them on hay at all times, and we've been doing a lot of alfalfa pellet. I usually have some Timothy grass pellets, but I don't have any right now. Mama. Right, Mama's just trying to get whatever she can. They're going to get their head stuck in there. Watch this. Valentino. Hey. He's going to be the love machine. We're going to have to get him out in a couple months. But what it is, I just got some alfalfa pellets, beet pellets, a little bit of barley and a little bit of oats. Still mainly grass, which I like grass products in the morning for the goats. Then I feed them grain at night with hay or pellets of some sort. But we're going to be getting them off the alfalfa pellets and putting the sheep onto alfalfa pellets, of course. Because these girls are about done feeding their babies. They're pretty much all on hay and grain. So they're doing pretty well. The milk production doesn't need to be as high anymore. We actually noticed like Mini Sack is actually getting a little bit smaller. Rhyme is pretty much dried up because she really never fed Rhythm that much. So we're kind of done here in this sense. So we'll move them to a Timothy pellet, which is a little bit lesser protein, not necessarily for milk production. And to be honest, the boys don't need it. Not that there's a lot of boys here. There's only 4 boys here, and 2 of them are babies, and one's probably leaving. We've come to the decision that Curly should leave. He's just never put on size. He must have been the runt of the litter. He's kind of always just stayed there. Dweezil, which was smaller, he's a little bit bigger, but I've seen his dad. I got a picture of his dad in one of the videos early on, but he's really not putting on size. So he's probably a runt. But old Valentino, he's a freaking monster. He's right next to Curly right now. Valentino is a monster, and that's clearly Bucky's offspring. Now, he was a fainter or a melatonin, which we'll see how much of the fainter crosses over. But the problem is fainters get really bad joints. And you can only keep them for so long, then they kind of really need to go off. Because it's just, if they faint a lot, their joints lock up so much. They have all types of problems. Let me move out of the sun. But that's why we try not to scare our fainters, because we don't want them locking up. So, all right, let's see what else we can come up with today, or this could be the end. On that note,